So, hi, Helen and Catherine and everybody else. I'm going to show you how to copy some notes out of GoTeam tracker file into an email. Here's the email. It's mostly composed. And I'm going to go over to the GoTeam notes. And you want to just click, and you can click in the upper left-hand corner, hold down the Shift key, or you can click and drag across if you're nimble. But you want to basically highlight all the parts that you want to copy over, and Control C for copy. Go back to the email and put your cursor where you want the thing to go, and you push Control V, and voila, you have the meeting minutes, or you basically have those cells that you copied out of the workbook. One more thing I'll show you while I'm in this realm is that if you've got this meeting and you want to do the next meeting, it's always good to put the latest one on top. So you can click here on the entire row number 2, hold down the Shift key, go all the way to the bottom. Yes, I can write this up in notes, but if you go to there, you can then right click, and first of all, you want to Control C, copy all that. Then you right click, insert 14 above. Then you Control V and paste. So basically what you've done now is replicated the last agenda up on the top. So it'll take a few minutes, and if the next meeting is on 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, whenever it is, you put that in there, and then you can go through that and just eliminate last week's notes if you want to keep the same topics, or you can make adjustments. Sometimes you'll want to keep the objectives for those sections with the little hashtag, or you can leave it blank. But the nice thing about having all of this in one sheet rather than in multiple Word docs or Google Docs is that you want to see what happened last week, you just scroll down there and go, oh yeah, we looked at the team goals, we talked about the Deschutes Brewery, and Randy Salem was going to get in touch. So we back up here, we're talking about it this week. And did you get in touch with Randy? Catherine, if you were running the meeting, you could say, hey, whoever's the delegate for the Deschutes Brewery can say, were you able to get in touch with Randy? Yeah, Randy provided material to send. Will email by end of this week. So basically, that's just a few things here to show you how you can use this GoTeam tracker to take notes and then to send the notes out to your team via email. And you can do the same thing with the prospect list. When you've got your top 15 prospects with similar information, you're looking at the latest updates on those. Those can all be emailed out so that the people who are working those don't actually have to go into the files in Google, but can just refer to the emails that they're getting from you. And of course, you'll want to put in the current meeting minutes and actions. Ben, go team. What's today? June 19th. Type so fast, 2018. And now that's all ready to go. And I think, hello, hey ho, Ben, go team. So I think that's it. But I got a few more things to do, so I'm going to stop the recording, but you get the idea. Any questions, let me know. Bruce Hagen, that's Bruce H at businessclimateleaders.org, or 707-338-7363. Thank you very much.